show you exactly what to do. And when you do this, you're going to say, oh my God, it was that simple? Yep. It was that simple. And how long you had your Kirby?
I know over 5 years for sure.
Over 5 years for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You could do this with a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver.
Okay.
You ready? All right. And she's like, I'm
Yeah.
gonna clean my Kirby with a butter knife. What are you talking about? Here we go. Okay, I got my flathead.
Okay.
All right. This one doesn't have it. Okay. Your Kirby have the. I'll show you on that one right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna still use this, but I have to show you how to open up that part.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have to show you how to open up that part. Okay, so now you're gonna have one of these straps around your Kirby. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this under here.
Okay.
And press down, and it's gonna come up. Okay.
Okay.
This comes.
Right. Oh, okay. I'm glad you
like
said
little...
that because I don't think I broke it. So.
No, because it's gonna close it back again. Now that you did that, all right, I'll put it back together. Yes. All right, so now, and you put it back together. Actually, you should put it back on the outside.
Okay.
Which is better. Okay, so you put it back. You can just, okay, and maybe even get a little pliers or squeeze it, whatever. Now that you took it off, all right. This is what you're gonna do after you take it off. You're gonna put your butter knife or screwdriver flathead.
Okay.
Just something flat. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
And do this.
Oh, okay.
Once you do this, you're gonna just get it all off.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now we're gonna take out our inner tube. Okay. So just undo this. You already know how to change the bag, right? So just take the bag out. Okay. Just get that stuff. Right. And I guarantee you do this, pull this out.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah.
You know where I'm heading.
Right.
You do know where I'm heading because the next step is going to be you wash that bag.
Okay.
And all you have to do is get this little guy out here, wiggle him out. See that? Comes right out.
Yeah. Okay.
You wash this guy, put your downy, all your good stuff, right?
Okay.
And then dry it and all that, and then to put it back together, this is facing front, right? So you just go back in. Okay. You stick this back in. Now, while this is out, what I would recommend that you do is just run your water through this because you probably have residue and stuff like that. Right. You know, so this, I'll once in a while, you do this once in a while, you get all that, scrape it out, wash it out. All right. Now that it's all washed out and dried and everything, you put it back together. Because you can see the dog here, right here.
Right.
You see that? Yeah. So that stuff.
So mine looks like that.
It stays and is there for 5 years.
Yeah.
So, all right. Now you put it back in. Okay. And because you know where the back is, this is obviously facing the back and this is facing the front. Now there's a little line here. See right here? Can you see right here?
I do.
I just line these up.
Oh, okay.
That's just a way. And then I'm just gonna kind of stick my hand in here and just kind of peel it over.
Okay.
See that? See that? And then that's when you saw what I did with the other thing. You put your little strap back on and put your bag back in. And voila, you have yourself a brand clean Kirby bag, no smell.
Yeah. Okay, good. I didn't know you could wash that because I was like, how am I gonna get the smell? Because of course I'm not getting rid of the dog or anything. And so
trust me, no
I got
amount
a vacuum. So
no amount of pellets you put in.
Yeah.
No sprays you put in is gonna fix that.
No, it didn't.
You tried, right? You tried.
See, my kid just made it worse. So.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. How many dogs you have?
I just have one.
Yeah,
it's
one.
a puppy. So.
Oh, all right. Well then, and you plan to have them for a long time, right? So you do this twice a year, or whatever.
Yeah.
You can gauge it. It's up to you. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. I had no idea.
All right.
All right. Well, you have a Merry Christmas.
You too. Then. Take care.